We're on Reddit and this guy says, how many ad creatives per CBO do I do? How many ad creatives per CBO do I do? I have been testing ad creatives. 3 ads have been getting good sales in the last 30 days, average 15 sales each. One of them is better than the other two. Do I put 3 in a CBO and duplicate 5 ad sets with all same 3 ads in each 5? Or do I just do one best ad creative into a CBO and duplicate it 5 times in 5 ad sets, start at 150 per day? What I would do, I would actually do the best ad and duplicate it 5 times in 5 different ad sets. I think this will work better because right now, at this moment, Facebook ads are usually going crazy. They're not allocating the budget correctly, so I would allocate it to one ad, but I would also create another campaign where I would test this one ad creative against different ads. And if I find something that performs better, this is how I would do it. And let's see what other people say. I just upped the ABO ad set with this ad creative to 50 a day, my highest daily budget yet. Why do any of that rather keep them running in the same campaign and scaling the budget gradually? Don't break what's working already. That's also a good advice. Don't break if it's working already, right? If you want to scale, you need to duplicate it. I would duplicate it. If you want to find things that are working, this is how I would do it. Yeah, true. Just getting greedy, I guess. And the CBO might not even work how I imagine it will. Maybe I'll just keep scaling 20 every 2-3 days, the current ABO with the ad creatives inside it. So there is very different ways you could do it. When I start a campaign, I usually start with 4 to 5 ads per ad set. I run the campaign for some days. I usually kill the ads that are not performing. I leave the ads that are performing. I might duplicate the working ad set with a higher budget. And there is a lot I do. But in general, right now, the algorithm is just like spending the budget into ads that don't convert. So what I would do, I would just use one ad per ad set if I'm scaling like crazy. This was the answer to your question. Oh, by the way, if you want me to audit your Facebook ads account, click the link in the description below. I'm gonna do a Facebook ad account audit for just $1. And if you're not fully satisfied with your results, I'm gonna buy you a coffee. So pretty much, if you think about it, you have nothing to lose. I managed more than $10 million on Facebook ads across different ad accounts, different niches. So I'm very confident I'll be able to help you get a much better ad performance. Click the link in the description below. Order your $1 Facebook ads account audit. We're gonna work together. We're gonna go on a call. I'm gonna ask you to share your screen. You're gonna show me your campaigns, and I'm gonna show you what's broken and how to fix it. This was the video for today. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. My name is Niko, and I'll talk to you soon.